Alright, what up gang? Today we will be pulling my rear subframe to reinforce the chassis and install Bevinsee subframe bushings in less than 24 hours. Also thanks to Bevinsee for sending me these subframe bushings. And if you need anything from them, you can use code CODY11 for 11% off store-wide. So first we got the car jacked up and then tried to remove the exhaust, which didn't go smoothly.
On it and turned it and it broke loose, but it didn't.
Then removed the trailing arm to make this whole job easier. My dumbass routed my LEDs through my subframe. This is a good time to fix it. I'll tuck it all up into the car. And just like that, the subframe's ready to come on out. Just gotta pry on it a little bit. What's happening?
Push it in.
There you go. Just like that, subframe's pulled out. Time to clean it up a little bit. And now we are prepping the reinforcement plates.
Car. I guess I got a perfect.
Now we have to grind off the old underbody coating, which we will reapply after welding on the reinforcement plates. Here's the part of my chassis that was cracked under the subframe. It is a common E46 thing for the chassis to crack at where the subframe mounts, but also the crack that I had was on the side that I drift tapped, so it might have been from that. And now Thomas is welding the reinforcement plates that we were prepping earlier to the chassis. While Tom's doing that, David and I are removing the old bushings using a torch and hammer. No special tools needed.
Upper bushings are gonna match the grooves here. So we're gonna put them in like that. And then your bottom bushing with your metal sheet goes in from the bottom. Like that. Hold underneath. Put it on the hole. Oh yeah. Oh.
I showed up late the next day and David already had it all back together for me. Hit him up if you need any BMW work in the PNW or PDX area. He can definitely help you out. Alright guys, after installing the Bevinsee subframe bushings, the car feels a lot more planted. I could feel the difference right away. Also feels great while drifting. Here's a clip. Link to the full video will be on screen, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out Bevinsee's site. They make a lot of different products for many popular brands. Link to their site will be below.